In this video, we'll show you how to connect to a View Media server from the View Studio library. On your View One, locate the Wall ID and QR code. You can scan the QR code with your mobile device to quickly connect. You can also connect manually using the Wall ID. In View Studio, go to Settings, enter the Wall ID under the Connection section, and click Connect. The icon will turn from red to yellow, then green, indicating a successful connection. Once connected, you can start casting media from the library. In Settings, you'll also find options for turning things on and off like the QR code, the time, the welcome message, adjusting your wall settings, and managing admin controls, including renaming the wall or switching modes. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.